Venous drainage of heart. Tributaries of coronary sinus. Small cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein, great cardiac vein, small cardiac vein. Right marginal veins become small cardiac vein. Runs along right coronary sulcus posteriorly and drain posteriorly into coronary sinus. Middle cardiac vein. It runs in posterior interventricular groove of heart and supplies posterior interventricular septum and drains into coronary sinus posteriorly. Great cardiac vein. It begins near apex of heart, ascends up along the AIVA in AIVG and turns posterior. Then it runs along the left circumflex artery in left coronary sulcus, then enters coronary sinus posteriorly. Coronary sinus drains into posterior wall of right atrium. Anterior cardiac veins do not drain into coronary sinus, they drain directly into anterior wall of right atrium. In case of coronary sinus thrombosis, small cardiac vein will be dilated, middle cardiac vein will be dilated, great cardiac vein will be dilated, anterior cardiac veins will not dilated. This is because they drain directly into anterior wall of right atrium. Flow of blood through heart, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. It goes into right atrium, then to right ventricle, then to pulmonary trunk. Lungs for oxygenation. Pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventricle, aorta, systemic circulation. Tricuspid, right atrioventricular valve. It prevents backflow of blood from right ventricle to right atrium. It has three cusps and each cusp has papillary muscle. Anterior cusp has anterior papillary muscle. Posterior cusp has posterior papillary muscle. Septal cusp has septal papillary muscle. Mitral or bicuspid left atrioventricular valve. It prevents backflow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium. It has two cusps and two papillary muscles. Anterior cusp, anterior papillary muscle. Posterior cusp, posterior papillary muscle. Right atrium has three openings in posterior smooth wall. Opening of SVC, opening of IVC, opening of coronary sinus. Papillary muscles hold on to the cusps of walls through help of chordate tendinae. Cusp of walls prevents blood flow of blood. Anterior papillary muscles of tricuspid valve has a moderator band known as septomarginal trabecule. Moderator band contains a branch of right bundle branch. Interventricular septum has two parts. Lower thick muscular portion, upper thin membranous portion. Schematic diagram of right atrium. Right atrium has three main openings in posterior smooth wall. Opening of SVC, opening of IVC, opening of coronary sinus. Vista terminalis separates the rough anterior wall of right atrium from smooth posterior wall of right atrium. The anterior wall of right atrium has musculi pectinate and trabeculae, which is why it is called rough anterior wall of right atrium. Anterior wall of right atrium is embryologically derived from primitive atrium. Embryologically, sinus venarium is observed right horn of sinus venosus. Right atrium also has some opening of venae cardi minimus. These are some openings of veins that open into all four chambers of heart directly. Limbus fossa ovalis is present on right septum or septum secundum embryologically. At floor of fossa ovalis is septum primum. Schematic diagram of right ventricle. Right AV valve, tricuspid valve has three cusps. Anterior cusp, posterior cusp, septal cusp. Anterior papillary muscle of right tricuspid valve has moderator band known as septomarginal tubercle. Papillary muscle hold on to the cusp of walls through help of chordate tendinae. Between right ventricle and pulmonary trunk is supraventricular crest. Pulmonary valve has three cusps. Schematic diagram of left chambers. Mitral valve. It lies between left atrium and left ventricle. It is bicuspid valve. It has two cusps, two papillary muscles, aortic vestibule. It is a smooth outflow tract of left ventricle. Embryologically, it is derived from bulbous cordis. Aortic valve has